In today's video, we discuss how to create a triple plus symbol in your computer. So you can see this is a triple plus symbol. So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer and I am creating this triple plus symbol. For creating this, you must keep in mind this keyboard shortcut Alt 10747. So you must remember this keyboard shortcut Alt 10747. Okay, I'll show you how to create this symbol. For doing this, you must first turn on the number lock. Now we turn on the num lock. Now you can see that the num lock is enabled. Now you can see the Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. After that, you must type here 10747. After typing that, you can release your finger from this Alt key. You can see that this symbol have been arrived here. For more videos, you can subscribe. Thank you.